starting in 3, 2, 1. All right, here we have the Eagles attempting to grab some green cubes. They get one in their collection. They get two. Oh, they accidentally dropped those green cubes. Okay, the Eagles grabbing some more greens. Okay, as we get to 35 seconds, you can now switch drivers. The Eagles lift up and attempt to score those two greens. One falls out, but they finish. At 25 seconds, you must switch drivers. The Eagles attempt to drop the green. So you get down to the last 15 seconds of the match. 10 seconds left, let's see if they can gain the time. The Eagles attempt to go across the lane for a direction.